Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Mr. iPhone. This video tutorial is about how to fix SIM not support problem. Let's fix it. If you not subscribe our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon also. Install the SIM first and let's see what happening. Enter the password and continue. See, there is a SIM not support problem in this phone. Remove the SIM from your iPhone and install the foldable SIM. New designed SIM. It's used for X and above iPhones. And see guys, how I installing SIM and SIM. When you done, install the SIM on your iPhone and wait for the activation menu. It take a few minutes, okay? Click on ICC ID and put newest ICC ID. Guys, I already entered ICC ID. When you done, click on send. Enter the passcode and wait few minutes. And boom guys, your SIM not supported problem is solved. Now call somewhere and check. Thank you for watching my video. In this process, turn off Find My iPhone first.